we've got shotguns, we've got rifles, we've got my good friend Rafe, so we must be Browning.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yep.
So we've got a pretty cool things. Obviously, great new shotgun.
Yep. Citori's and X-Bolts, that is the bread and butter of our business.
Of course,
right?
that's Browning.
So, super excited to having full lineups this year of both of those products. 825 is the newest of the Citori line, introduced it back in October. And here at SHOT Show, we're ready to expand into all the different elements and different models that we're working on for the 825 across the board.
So Browning and stacked barrels goes back to the superposed, which John Browning designed, a wonderful gun. And all along, then the Citori comes along, another great stacked barrel. Tell me a little bit about the newest model.
So the 825, obviously, the newest rendition of the 25 series, 725, 825.
Yep.
Introduced it, like I said, in October. Really, some really cool features to it in terms of we've changed up the look and the feel of it. It does look different. It doesn't look like your standard Citori, different lines, different cuts. And so it's going to give you that different look and appeal to it, but it's still going to feel the same as your standard Citori. How you felt, how they balance, all that stays the same. We've changed obviously a little bit of the looks, and then we also improved quite a bit on the trigger. Went a little crisper, a little bit lighter, handled lighter recoil, loads a lot better than it used to as well. So some internal dynamics we've changed in that side.
They work a little bit better. And tell me a little bit about the fit of this particular model. This looks to me to be a trap model. Is that right?
It's a sporting model, right? The newest version at SHOT Show is the Golden Clays version. So it's obviously the highest end gun that we do. Well embellished receivers, gold inlays into it as well, high grade wood, adjustable combs on it as well, and our Pro Balance system. So you have different weights in the back of the stock, change up your balance on it. Very dedicated to the sporting clays course, 30 and 32 inch barrels. So it's really designed as a sporting clays gun, 50-50 POI on that as well.
But I'm a hunter.
Yep.
I'm hard on my stuff. You've got some field grades as well?
100%. Yeah.
All right.
Yep. So we have
great.
field grades. We have sporting grades trap as well, which have higher receivers on them.
Of course.
Great coil, recoil pads, less than those recoils. So we really do it now. We've expanded it at SHOT Show. We have a lot more of the 825 line available.
That's awesome. I've heard some great things about it. We've got some reviews coming up in the magazine, so check that out as well. I mean, I know you guys went up to Alaska and shot some ptarmigan with it, right?
Yeah, it's kind of fun to take a gun and make a dedicated trip just for birds in Alaska.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah. So I wasn't there. Why was that?
You were invited.
I was busy probably. So. Well, should we move on to the X-Bolt 2, which came out last year? I've had some experience with it. I actually love the X-Bolt 2. I love the changes you've made to the X-Bolt design. Yep. Let's talk a little bit about that and this particular model.
So this one is the new Mountain Pro. So we always have been able to upgrade our guns from the standard models. The Mountain Pro is our carbon fiber stock gun. And the big change from it is the configuration of the stock itself. Typically, we went with just the standard sporting style stock. This time, we've gone in and made some modifications. So a lot thinner forend on it, tighter grip area as well. It's not quite a vertical grip, not quite a slick sporter style, but a hybrid in between. Just put your hand a little bit forward on that side, and an adjustable comb on there as well. And then some really cool stylized cuts on the receiver. Really makes it look like a custom field type of a gun. Performs that way. And so we have several options, including full barrel options and the suppressor ready version, which is what this is, 2 inches shorter than standard.
And what else does that do, that dropping that barrel a little bit? Makes this gun amazingly lightweight.
Yes.
These guns are coming in, what, under 6 pounds?
Under 6 pounds for a suppressor ready version.
Suppressor ready version, that's great. And if you're not shooting suppress, you should be. It seems like everybody's getting that. They're dropping those barrels shorter, putting a suppressor on, not losing as much performance. I think people they don't care about that as much because they're getting that suppressor stuff, and that's really good. That stock, I want to talk about that because it is beautiful, but also adjustable. Looks like pretty simple adjustments to the cheek riser.
Two simple screws adjusted wherever you need to make it that line item to your scope.
That's right. And so let's talk a little bit about, for people that maybe didn't keep up with the X-Bolt 2 launch last year, tell me a little bit about what I think maybe consumers are missing about it is some of that increased bearing surface. What does that do for you, and what is that exactly?
What it really is on the back end of the receiver where that bolt comes out, there's a lot more surface area. When that bolt hits the back end of it, you don't get any of that flex. That sometimes if you
put the pressure up or down or something, you're going to bind a little bit.
So with all that, we've virtually eliminated any of that binding element.
I think that's an unsung feature of the X-Bolt 2. I mean, you guys did some great things with that upgrade, but I think that increased bearing surface, that again, consumers maybe didn't get, what does that mean? And when you run an X-Bolt 2 bolt as fast as you want and put as much pressure on, I've had great success just really quick with it, no binding.
They run
works every time.
And a lot of stuff people wouldn't notice until you get into that heat of the moment.
Exactly.
And then you appreciate it.
And then also the X-Bolt 2 upgrade is a trigger as well.
Yes, exactly. So
So-
much lighter, crisper trigger.
Yeah.
And now we've really expanded the entire line. I think we've got 21 new models for a SHOT Show to come take a look at. That's a lot.
That's amazing. So again, rifles, shotguns, Browning's got it all.
We do.
And I mean, just a great, great company, great partners with us. I appreciate everything. I appreciate your friendship for
You bet.
too many years that we talked about a minute ago. We're not going to talk about that now, how long we've known each other.
Long time.
But thanks for being here, and check out the shotguns and rifles from Browning.